Ka kanun Menteri Sorkar jong Jylla ha kajingilang ka pamenta kasi kata ha ka arpo khandai tere kunai wing arajar arpo kala manjur banwanra aja ka Meghalaya Mental and Social Care Policy. Napadeng jong kiwe ki Jylla ha po kari India ka Jylla Meghalaya ka de ka Jylla ka balai banyo ya ka Mental Health and Social Care Policy yaitu Menteri Rangba ha bakaran ha kilat pathai kubor hadin jong kajingilang ka kanun jong ki Menteri Sorkar. Ka jing temu bah khamat jong ka jingwan ra ya kene ka mental health kalong banirap kerpang ya ki nong chong snong jong ka Jylla ki berdam kerki ya ki jingirap ha ba mansau lane ha ba klat kensan na ka jing mansau shu lo ongru bahdin ka jing kimi thu ha ki babon ki jing ja ha keleng ka Jylla ki babon ki ba mansau ki jungat ha ka pot ba kimyo jing sumar kerki bat cha i ben kumta ka jingwan ra ya kene ka mental health kan yirap shibun na ka benta ki pat ba jong ka Jylla. Menteri Rangba ulapan kan mauru bahaus nem arjar khat khandai ka Sorkar kelawan ra abat manjur ya ka amendment jong ka Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arjar khat khandai kumbalong ka national policy.
Approval of the Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy. This of course is a very important policy and a subject which has been not given the kind of importance in the past that it should. And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected, and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I'm happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy, and I'm sure that this particular policy will ensure that the proper attention that should be given to mental health, especially when it comes to young children, adolescents, teenagers. And of course, this is a subject that is very vast and covers different aspects of individuals' lives and different aspects that lead to issues concerning mental health. So the policy was approved today by the Cabinet.